Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use passkeys in Dashlane. First, go to a website or app that supports passkeys like Google, Amazon, or others. When that site allows passkey setup, choose Create Passkey in its security or sign-in settings. Dashlane will ask if you want to save that passkey in your Dashlane vault. Confirm that. After saving, when visiting that site again, enter your username or email. Instead of entering your password, select Sign in with Passkey if prompted. But on some sites like Google, Dashlane will automatically pop up, request verification via master password, PIN, or biometrics, and then log you in using the passkey. You can manage saved passkeys by opening your Dashlane vault, then navigating to the passkey section. There you can rename passkeys, add notes, or delete ones you no longer use. If you're on a professional plan, you may choose whether a passkey is stored in your personal or business space. And that's how you use passkeys in Dashlane. Thanks for watching.